Listen, y'all, these demons are hungry. They're hungry and they know the time is short. For you are fully aware that the day of the Lord will come like a thief in the night. Aren't you? Are you aware of that? While people are saying peace and security, destruction will come upon them suddenly, like labor pains of a pregnant woman, and they will not escape. These demons are hungry and they know the time is short. Let him who hath understanding reckon the number of the days, for the days are short. But you, brothers, sisters, in betweeners, are not in the darkness, so that this day should overtake you like a thief. These demons are hungry. Listen, there's a reason why the artist, formerly known as Prince, but Prince, rest in peace, beautiful soul, incredibly talented musician. He was giving warnings about the music industry and the satanic infrastructure that was the entertainment industry, that people are now learning about. Prince actually made videos, said comments that led to his death, that led to him being offed and taken away from this planet because he was exposing, revealing, he was acting as a guru, dispelling darkness, and they took his life. But there's a reason why Prince, one of the last Grammy music functions that he went to, was sat in a row with other artists, and he made it known that he would not make eye contact with anybody. And it was like a press briefing that his people put out to the other attendees that don't make eye contact with him. Okay, do you feel me? Because that is a quantum hookup. That is an energetic hookup. And that is what is taking place today in any way, shape, or form, through nefarious comments left on videos, through random engagements. People are glitching in this matrix. Their egos are being dismantled. They're realizing the spiritual nature of this existence and the folly of the choices that they have made. So they're hungry. These demons are hungry. These racist demons are hungry. They're trying to engage you. They're trying to interface with you. They're trying a quantum hookup to get your godlight, to get your God force so that they can make it just another day. But unless they finish, I'm here to tell you, unless they finish their cleansing, okay, and complete their full tribulation, then they will not enter into the kingdom while fooling themselves of their actual place in their human eternity. Because they're not human, they're demons. Christ is very clear with his promise, and of course keeps them for his actual disciples. Non believers just continue making excuses while misleading others who are willing to listen. They're misleading others, trying to gaslight them that, oh, so and so, yabba dabba, yabba dooba baba, is turn away from them. No, this is a demon. These are demons that are trying to interface and steal your God force. They will run out of time as we are very close to Christ closing and locking the door at the end of the age for any further entry into the kingdom of heaven. Get thee behind me, Satan. In nomine Christos Jesus, vade retro me, Satanas.